Ancient India, Gurukulas, temples, universities like Nalanda. Free and open, particularly in Gurukulas and ashramas, free to open to all of them.
Nowadays, modern education is developed. Students can be with teachers and parents, collaborate with friends.
In ancient education, we learned with their guru and we stayed with their gurukulas and we learned with their teachers. And we learned so many things like archery, dharma suttas. Thank you.
Now we are learning many subjects, example science, social.
During ancient times, the education system are famous for the art, culture and traditional own.
Nowadays, both modern education is really important in our life because technology has improved. Example, AI, we use AI for everything.
Ancient education focus on holistic development and spiritual and moral growth and practical life skills.
Nowadays, modern education improved for higher studies.
Why you won't always depend on technology? You can use your creativity to do all the works.
We only created the technology. We use our creativities also.
Like what creativity you'll use? We'll use art, craft, archery and we'll use so many things for our creativity in ancient times.
We will solve our sums in maths.
We'll focus on textbooks and classwork and online classes. We will depend on ourselves and we will study and math general knowledge.
We will also depend on ourselves and we will study. But we will use technology.
Why you will use technology? You can use your creativity, no?
Because technology is really useful for everything. Example, for doing sums, for submitting workshops.
I will ask one question. In olden days, why girls were not studying in Gurukulas?
Those days, boys can only go to school. Girls were in home and they was helping their mothers.
Nowadays also modern educators, they will come to schools and they will study and at home they will help.
In some villages also, girls cannot go to school. Only boys can go to school.
That only why I am asking. In olden days, girls can go to school. Now why modern education is taking girls for education?
Like girls have the priority. Girls don't have the priority. Boys have the priority to go to do the educations.
Now girls also studying. In olden days, why they are not studying? That only I am asking.
Why means in olden times there was not have priority into girls. That is my question.
That is why.
Why means we not have priority, no?
Nowadays, girls also can study in schools, right?
Yes, we can study. But in modern days there was not have priority in ancient education times.
Why? That is all I am asking.
Because we are seeing families and we are doing homeworks.
Nowadays also girls are seeing families, right?
But we are working in home and so we are seeing about family also.
Nowadays girls are also going for jobs and they are coming to home, they are working and they are seeing for family.
But that time we are not have facility. Now we have.
That times there are Gurukula, right?
Yeah, we have the Gurukulas and we have the teachers to study for us also.
Good morning everyone present here. My name is Devratar from grade 6th. Today I am telling about ancient education. Ancient education refers to the worldwide. It also gets our literacy rate more. It was near up to 100%. When we used our Gurukul system, the literacy rate was very much.
This is the point.
Yes, we are also learning a subject. He said that Vedas, mathematics and all they are using. We are also learning social, science, maths, Kannada. We are also learning.
Know the ancient education system. They sit down the trend they are studying, but the modern education system, they will go to the classroom and they will teach just subjects for money. But ancient education people is not like that. They just teach for they teach for money. They teach for knowledge, but and for life skills.
Yes, we are also teaching. They are teaching. You said that they are teaching us foreign money, but I do not agree that point. They are not teaching us foreign money. For money only they are teaching. But why we want money? To relationship. The world is turning from and money only, no? So we want money to keep our family members good, to fulfill their thoughts.
It is not just the thing only to get money. In the Gurukul system, today we are studying and getting job and we should earn money. That is not the thing. Why? Because learning the Gurukul system, it is for ourselves, knowledge. For that purpose we are learning Gurukul system for free.
No, olden days there was not like that. Gurukul system was not free. We should give Guru Dakshina for Gurus.
But it has a value more than fees or money.
So I will say small story, okay? The Guru didn't teach the boy archery, okay? He made a statue of a Guru and he became and he learned. But once what the Guru said, I will come to means an exam like that exam. So he done very well, okay? So Guru asked the Guru Dakshina as his thumb finger. Why? For his self-defense, okay? So that time only they are asking Guru Dakshina. Why we can't now?
Okay, it is right. But you know who is Gurukul? The Gurukul is the one due to strong education. The Gurukul after they studied, Shishya gave Guru Dakshina as a reward for Gurus.